What's up guys and welcome to a new video. If you click this video, it means you want to upgrade your body to the next level. You simply want to get a bigger biceps to look more masculine and more attractive as well. And I know from my own experience that it can be very hard to train your biceps from home. But there are actually a few tips and methods that I can tell you that will help you to get a bigger biceps in no time. Those methods are all proven and will help you with a 100% guarantee to get bigger arms. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family because I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright guys, let's hop into the video and start first of all with the equipment that I would recommend you. You don't need much equipment to get bigger arms, just a few things that will hasten the process. So number one guys, invest in at least one dumbbell. You can actually do a lot of exercises with only one dumbbell, especially to exercise your biceps. Just make sure that the dumbbell that you buy has enough weight so you can actually set an incentive for your muscles to grow. I mean, you don't need 30 to 40 kilogram dumbbells to set an incentive for your muscles, but I would recommend at least a dumbbell with 15 to 20 kilogram. I will link you some of my favorite choices in the description of this video, so you don't need to search hours for it. Beside the dumbbell, I would also recommend to invest in a simple pull-up bar as well, simply because pull-ups are such an effective exercise to train your biceps and back muscles as well. There are tons of cheap options that you can buy for 15 to 20 euros and that you can simply hang into your door frame. And for exercising your biceps, I would definitely recommend to do closed pull-ups because they simply strain your biceps way better than wide ones. Try to become better doing pull-ups by doing it every second day, and I promise you your body will look 100 times better in no time. Let's continue with number 3, train your biceps at least 2 to 3 times per week. You need to set an incentive for your muscles to grow. And as your training at home is oftentimes not as hard as in the gym, you need to make sure to increase the frequency. So I would definitely recommend it to train it 2 to 3 times per week. But still make sure that you don't train your biceps 2 days in a row. Always make sure to take at least one rest day before you train it again. Otherwise you will simply overtrain it, which will slow the whole process. And let's continue with number 4, eat more calories and drink more water. To get bigger arms you still need to make sure to supply enough nutrients and also to drink enough water as well. To hasten the muscle growth I would always recommend to go with a small calorie surplus and to drink 3 to 4 liters of water per day as well. I also made a complete video about how you can gain weight and muscles the fastest way possible. I will also link it down in the description below so you can check it out. And last but not least guys, as we already talked about the frequency, let's talk now about the intensity. In order to get bigger arms the fastest way possible and even from home, I would always recommend to increase the intensity of your workout by simply doing more reps. Your muscle needs an incentive to grow, otherwise it will stay the same or even decline. And you can either set an incentive by increasing the weight, which actually can be really hard if you only have limited equipment at home, or you can set an incentive by increasing the reps. So if you train from home, I would definitely recommend to focus on increasing the reps. Do it step by step by just increasing it one by one. Therefore you can set an incentive with every workout and your muscles will grow faster as well. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are 5 ways that you can use in order to get a bigger biceps from home. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, become part of the family, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.